Hello guys, in today's video I talk about how to fix WhatsApp invite problem. So the answer is easy, just go to the settings. Wait a second. Go to the settings and scroll down to the apps section, then go to the search and search on WhatsApp, and then go to the storage, and here you will find this clear cache option. Click on it. Now you can go check it if it worked. If it didn't, you can try to restart your phone, and if it didn't work again, maybe turn the Wi-Fi off and on, and turn the Bluetooth off and on. And if it didn't work again, maybe try to clear data, but be careful. If you want to clear your data, all the files and the media and the chats and the messages will be deleted, so be careful. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.